How to fix the URL signature expired on Messenger. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. First of all, you need to make sure that your Messenger application is installed and updated to the latest version so that you won't miss out any new features and have no problem there. After that, simply head into your Messenger application, long press on it. After long pressing on your Messenger application, tap on the very eye icon. Now scroll a little bit down and then tap on the storage section, clear all the data and clear all the cache from there. Also, you can force stop. Now when you go to the app details in the store, you can see everything right here. But what you need to do is tap on set as default option and you can simply turn this cursor off and on few times. After you do this, you can simply also see the supported app addresses where you can see the web addresses as well. But after doing this and seeing all the web addresses and seeing signature web address as well, make sure you have linked it with the Messenger application. And if this does not solve your problem, then go to the Messenger application and report your problem, and then Messenger will send you a feedback after a few hours to a few days. Your problem should be solved by now. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.